there's a software I understand you developed. Would you explain what it is, what it does?
Right. Well, who really gets credit, a University of Southern California professor, he approached me when I was doing a speech on tax credits. For the last 20 years, I've specialized in hiring credits, equipment credits, green credits, and these are peppered throughout the Internal Revenue Code as well as state law. And there are 7,500 what we call location-based credit programs, which just because you have a business in a certain geographic location, you're eligible for these various incentives. And they're very, it can be very lucrative for the client. And we've harvested well over $100 million of credits for clients, and that makes a big impact for them and for us. And so he had developed this database from a multi-year research project on the effectiveness of incentive credit programs. And so he had the whole country GIS'd and down to the address and census tract. And so our software, you would put any address in there, any business address, and it would tell you immediately what federal, state, or local programs may be available to that business. And so he brought me and one of my partners at HCVT into the mix as owners in return for helping him further refine the software as well as to license it to other CPA firms and things. So we had, 500 plus licensees throughout the country. All the big four used it, and we ran that business for about 5 years and used extensively within HCVT, and then ultimately sold it to one of the big four firms who promptly took it off the market so there was not competition. And they used it internally, so they're making a lot of money off that.